Hi everybody. Jody Marketplace Boutique, and today I have little dudes. So today I have little dudes. I'm gonna open them. Let's see what we have in this box. Let's open this box. So I found this on an online auction on YouTube. So subscribe to him. Hopefully he doesn't mind them doing this video because I did not ask. Awesome finds that he finds, and it's really fun just to hang out with. Okay, so here's the box, and I did take some other things out. I did open it and take a couple things out here, and I left all the guys and all their accessories in here. This will be fun. Look at all the guys. I can see why people like to play with these because all of their hands move around. So let's see what we got in here. And they even got really nice clothes on. So here I have this cute guy. Oh, look at what somebody did to my desk. I just bought this. Oh, I don't know how to fix this. If anybody knows what I can do to fix that, I think this is a painted surface, and it's like the first desk that was new that I ever bought myself. Okay, so here is I think these are all G.I. Joes, but maybe not. Let's see what he is. Oh, he's got cute clothes on. So this is a G.I. Joe coat. I think they're on their backs. Oh, he's like totally dressed. Look at that. I'm assuming this guy is from like the 90s. Look at all the details. I can see why people like to collect G.I. Joes because they're so detailed. Okay, so I'm not being pervy. Okay, so here's a 1996 Hasbro Gi Joe, and their little markings are kind of like on their rears or on their backs. You can tell too by these Gi Joes, they're real quality made. They're real detailed, and these little parts all move. Yes, I have to put his pants back on. They've got little belts. So if you just look on the back side, you can find them. And look at, he's got his boots and his G.I. Joe jacket, and that's what the G.I. Joe label stands for. So I bought all these. I think I bought the guys for around 50 and maybe, I don't know, 20 for the accessories or something like that. So let's get into them and figure this out. This is going to be fun. I like to list different things, so this will be fun to list. Oh, I have to snap this all back up. These, look how detailed these are. They even come with like little belt buckles. These are amazing. Ooh, look at this guy. Oh, he's got some, this is like a felty kind of hair. Well, that's cool. It's like textured to get his fuzzies out. Oh, he's got a little necklace on. Look at this one. He's got boots. Oops, did I just tear his leg off? What did I... Oh no. Oh no. I don't think it's supposed to do that, is it? Is it supposed to do that? I don't know. Okay. Date on it, but it says G.I. Joe, made in the USA, Hasbro. Not so sure about this one. I wonder if there's copies. I'm not sure. But his leg came off. Now, it doesn't seem to be coming back off again. Oh boy, his legs are moving all over the place. How did I get his pants off and how did they get back on? Oh yeah, it was the leg. The leg fell off and I have no idea. It's been a while since I played with Barbies. So let's just move him along. Ooh, here's another G.I. Joe. I'm assuming, look how detailed these are. I can see why kids like to play with these and people actually collect them, even adults. But look at how detailed they are, and these, he has a little necklace too. And these are so cool because you can actually open them. Oh, and there's like a little thing inside there yet. He's got his little canteens or whatever that is. I don't know if that's canteens or like weapons. I don't know. That's cool. He's got boots. So this is a 1996 Hasbro Gi Joe. And this guy feels like he's hefty. He's quality made. I'm only moving my limbs when I feel like it. And he's strong and mighty. So, look at how detailed they are though. That's so neat. Okay, here's another little dude. And he's got his boots on. What amazes me is these all have special little pieces yet. Okay, so this says 1998 First Century Toys. Now I'm going to have to look these guys up because I don't know anything about them. So he's missing a little hand. He must have gotten in a little battle and he's missing a hand, but he's still doing good and he's still strong and all that. So, but yeah, he's got these cool little clothes on. Missing a hand, still got his boots though. This guy decided to stop and play some football. Still has his cleats on. Let's see what he says. 1996 Hasbro Pawtucket. This is cool. I love how like it's so detailed, like, you know, it's in real life, which is funny. Like he can, I don't think my hands can do this anymore. Maybe. I used to cross stitch, so I'm sure, but I don't know about with nails. And don't look at my nails because I try to touch them up myself. I just didn't feel like going to the nail salon. So he's got his little shoes. Totally cute. Football player. Look at his little pads. Isn't that cool? Oh, here's another football player. What you doing? Okay. This one's got really enormous hands. Big hands, big feet. Wow, this one's amazing. Army guy. This is 1996 Hasbro Pawtucket also, it says. And it has a serial number right here. So I would definitely look out for that. This one feels quality made too. But look at his huge hands and feet. He doesn't have any shoes on, but he's got his little socks. So cute. Look at this. Oh, he's got another shirt on. And he's got his little football gear underneath. And his helmet says G.I. Joe on it. So just something to look out for. Something I've also seen that you can sell are legs. I think there is a guy missing his legs, and there might be one that has like weird legs. Okay, so we'll set this leg aside. Okay, so this guy doesn't have any clothes on, but let's see. Look at his huge feet. Their feet are funny, and they even move up and down. So let's see what he says. Okay, same as the others, Pawtucket. He's got a little thing on his back. Look at this. I think he karate chops. This almost feels like a 2-pound weight, and this one's more like a feather. Okay, so these again say G.I. Joe USA. I'm gonna assume that they are maybe a reproduction or something. Definitely not like the original 90s. There is no date on these, so I don't know anything about these. They are definitely, they don't have the serial number here, and it just looks different than the rest, and it feels different. And the other ones don't say G.I. Joe. This one says G.I. Joe. How odd. I've definitely bought these to learn something new, so I'll learn something new. Here's a G.I. Joe guy, and you can tell the G.I. Joe emblem there. If you look at that, that's definitely a G.I. Joe sign. The bad thing is if I go look at their dates on their rares, I have to like put them back together. Let's see what you got on your rear end. Okay, 1996 Hasbro Pawtucket again. He's got his little battle things. I love how these things work. I wish I would have bought my son a bunch of G.I. Joes. I think I bought him like the fake ones from Target. They probably weren't fake, but just like an off-brand. But I can see these were like way better. Okay, this one looks pretty good too. He's got his little army clothes on. I'm just amazed that the clothes are still with the dolls. So this is what he looks like. 1996 Pawtucket again. I love how everything moves. That's so cool. This guy's got a... His pants look like they're from the 60s. He's got a bomber jacket. It's peeling a little bit. He's got his clothes underneath. And they're all tucked in. Isn't that cute? 96 Hasbro. Some little kid really lucked out with these when his parents bought him all these little G.I. Joes. Okay, here is a guy. As you can see, like all their little hands are articulated and they move. It's so cool how that happens. Oh, now I have to take this whole thing apart to look at his rear end. I'm assuming that this says 96 Hasbro again. I guess I have to take them apart anyway to take photos of these guys. Oh, and here's the label again. G.I. Joe, Hasbro, which matches up with a doll. Okay, 96 Hasbro. Oh, has this guy got his hands? No, this guy does not have hands. You poor little man. Look at how cute he is, though. Look how detailed that is in his face. Look at that. 21st Century Toys on this one, so this is a little different. Okay, this is a 2000 doll, and it says 21st Century Dolls. So I'm going to be learning as I go along with this video, editing it. I figure I'll look up the comps and everything as I go along, and I'll attach what I can find for you so you can kind of learn too. I love learning something new every day, so that's why I went out and bought G.I. Joes. I've never actually bought them before in my life. Okay, so he's a formative international, and if you turn him around, it says right here on the back. So I don't know what this is. He looks like a G.I. Joe, or like a G.I. Joe style, I think I would call it. And then I've got like some bags of goodies. Let's see what we got here. Okay, these say G.I. Joe on them, and they're like little dog tags. We've got some earmuffs, or what are these things called? Maybe headphones? An army hat. Okay, so this is like random stuff that was in there. We have a little backpack, like a canteen pack. This might even go to one of these dolls, I don't know. This is like a gas mask. Now you can sell all these things separately because people need to replace them. We have got some sunglasses. Oh, these are aviators. I might sell this stuff all in a lot or individually. These are little stickers. Department Army Training Manual. Okay, so this is an authentic reproduction. So maybe that's what this is. Oh, look how cool that is. A Millennium Salute G.I. Joe. Oh, cool. Okay. We have a bunch of boots. Oh, what do we got in here? We have a lot of straps. This is like what, a camera? Oh, is it for the gun? Maybe. So there's a lot of like stick kind of things like this. These are definitely nice and movable. I wish they were actually marked, like with serial numbers or something. More gun stuff. Guns. Here's some headphones. I'm assuming I'm going to lot this up. Here's a little football. Stick things. A belt. G.I. Joe belt. This is like a army belt. Some more hats. So it's nice too to just go through these and kind of familiarize myself with some of this, just so I mean, you might find some of these little pieces even out in the wild. Okay, so we've got some shovels and is it a grenade? Look at all these things. I think these are little canteens and maybe some more pieces. Guns. Ooh, we've even got some little packs here. And there's like a whole lot of little like guns and stuff. And learning with all of you as I go along. And I'm like really learning as I do these. So it's not just like teaching the other people what things are worth, but I'm also doing this, you know, for myself too. So this will be fun. Okay. See how much I can get back into this bag. I'll probably lot a lot of this stuff up and move it out. Okay, so here we have some pieces. So this man was not that fortunate. And we have some legs. So we have some missing appendages. I might do like an amputation lot. Maybe I'll do like the amputees together with the amputee lots. I don't know. He needs some hands. So I wonder if these are his hands. Poor guy. I'm gonna keep those with him because they kind of look like his hands. Okay, so then we've got some really cool little hats, and these came with the guys. Here, I think this might be like the football players. Here is a suit. And there was one that wasn't called G.I. Joe. Oh no, okay, so this one, it has G.I. Joe on the inside, made in China. Here's what the little emblems look like. They're very detailed. Okay, there's a little vest. So I don't know how much clothes go for, but this is kind of fun. Here's a little shirt. Pants. Here's a little shirt. So, but definitely keep your eye out if you're out. Oh, here's the pants that go with it. Okay, so keep your eye out if you're out in the wild. You know, you might find some of this stuff just even in the Barbie clothes, so that you could resell. Okay, so that's what I got, and well, I hope you enjoyed my little G.I. Joe, guys, and what I found in my box. I like finding little finds and learning something new. I have no idea anything about these G.I. Joes, so learning as we go. Oh, look at these socks. So if you see these little tiny socks out there, you know, I would assume if people don't know what they are, they might just get thrown in with Barbies. Especially if they're at a thrift store. So this is what a G.I. Joe sock looks like. He's got big feet. Hopefully we'll both learn something new. And thanks for all the good thoughts and wishes for my kitty. I really appreciate that. So I'm going to take these down there and sit by her and put a video together. And if you have any tips and tricks for me, let me know. I'd love to hear your little ideas of how to tell G.I. Joes apart. And if you have any advice, let me know in the comments below. Okay, everybody, bye. I just want to thank everyone who has who's prayed and sent good thoughts to our kitty cat. She made it out of the hospital, and they've actually never known of any doing that. So we are very lucky, and I want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart who have prayed with us and sent good thoughts. So we ditched the kayaks for hiking. So there's a thunderstorm and there's another one rolling in. We might have to sleep here tonight, right? Alright, I can hear it rolling in. We gotta keep moving. Some of these trees are so big though. They're cool. Here's a stream. I actually found a lot of really old pottery in here before. Here's the lake. It's upstream. One of my favorite places to hike.